Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord SE2, and I'll show you how to lock SIM cards with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the security section. After that you'll see here the SIM card lock section. Click here, and just to lock our SIM card with SIM pin you should click here once on the switcher, and now here enter your device the SIM pin which you want to set. For example, in my case that will be that from 1 to 4. Then just click here to OK, and now as can you see the switcher is activated, so that means that we just successfully lock our SIM card with pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.